Dude here, and welcome back to a Fortnite video. And this is a voiceover of a shopping cart ramp I did to say goodbye to the Fortnite playground mode and also Season 4 in general, since today is the last day of Season 4. So, this part here of me going up the ramp won't be sped up, but the rest, the other times I'm going up the ramp will be sped up. So you won't have to wait about a minute for me to go up a ramp. So I'm about ready to go down the ramp. And I'm getting to run up and starting to go down. It's going fast. I'm trying to not swerve off of the ramp. And right before it hits the ground, I exit the ramp and it goes flying. So I go and get the ramp, and I'm going to go back up the ramp to do it another time. But now this will be sped up.
So I'm right now talking like I did in my voice changer video right now. So, yeah. Wee! Abazoo! So you all just got voice clips of me saying things in a chipmunk voice.
And now I'm back to normal. So I'm about ready to go down the ramp again. By the way, this is at build limit. And I go down the ramp, hop into the other seat, and I'm going very fast right now. And right before I hit the bottom, I jump out! And the shopping cart gets absolutely destroyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. I'm WolfdudeG, signing off. Oh yeah, by the way, there's gonna be music playing right now.